The snow is coming down pretty heavily. Just a lot of snow. We still do have that winter storm warning in effect through.
Kids Hill. We take a look at the maps. The northern side of the viewing area, all the schools in Ottawa and Kent County closed.
With the snow day forcing us to stay at home, I wanted to do something crazy. I called up Jacob and we decided to build a snow fort right in my backyard. We started off by digging a circle and then we started to build up the walls. It was actually going alright, but then it got really snowy. We were making no progress, so I knew I had to call up a friend. Please! Look, what's up?
Hello. Just laying on the couch, actually.
You wanna come to my house?
Want me to come to your house?
Yeah, we're building a snow fort.
Yeah, why not?
Oh yeah! We scammed him! We scammed him! As we waited for Fook to come over, Jacob and I called a bunch of our friends for some advice on building this igloo.
Oh, Grace, we need help.
With what?
We were building an igloo.
They weren't really impressed, but they all told us the same piece of advice. We had to make it more compact.
Fuck! Bro, man's in the hoodie. He doesn't even have a coat. Bro, no way you wore a hoodie.
Why is this all you have?
It's two. I don't have a coat. I don't use coats. Last year, right, I went full hoodie. One hoodie on.
With Fook's help, we made a lot more progress. We worked for 2 hours before going inside to take a break.
Our planks are like 16 feet. Yeah, and we get 2x4s. Yeah, we get 2x4s.
There's like two 2x4s right there.
Really? Yeah. Well, guys, we're heading towards the woods, I guess.
If I fall, I actually might die. It's okay. You got this. Fook, don't die on me.
I should be the one telling you. You're going down first. Oh shit!
Oh, Fook.
My ass slipped.
You made it. You made it.
Vlog this.
What the fuck?
Guys, they die. Oh, they die of hypothermia. Yo, Moses out here.
You take the picture?
Dang, Jacob got all of that.
Look at that big, strong. Thank you.
After getting all of the sticks up, we started to build up the walls even more. We had no idea on how to work this out, so we decided to get a tarp and just put it over, and we called it a day. Oh hey, didn't see you there. This is my crib. Welcome to MTV Cribs. So here we have this nice wooden entry hall, all natural wood. Came out of the woods. Here, come inside. So here we have our bedroom / bathroom / living room / kitchen. We just have this one big tarp. It's just a little unstable. Not too bad. The wind might push it though. But anyways, here, follow in. So here's my roommate right here, Fook. We built this all by ourselves. We used all of our ResCon knowledge to build everything.
Yes, sir. We didn't have no 2x4 though.
Exactly. We had snow, tarp, and some wood. Thank you guys. This has been MightyMatt and Fook, and this has been my crib. Such a shit house.
This was productive.
Yeah, fun days.
Yeah, fun days.
Get the dogs out, bro. Stop.